So let us start with this separable extensions, and before this we have studied about the splitting fields, multiple roots, and then finite extensions. So now we will be studying about this separable extensions. We have also studied about normal extension. So what do you mean by a separable extension? So that is the next question. So before that, before going to this extensions, because from where this extension comes, this extensions come into picture whenever you had some field over here and you had some irreducible polynomial from this particular field f of x. So you were not able to find the roots for this particular polynomial f. So in that particular case, we say that we require some extension field, or there exists some extension field where the roots for this polynomial occur. So for the extension field that is always linked with this kind of irreducible polynomial. So for that we firstly define when can you call an irreducible polynomial as a separable polynomial. So suppose you have some polynomial f of x belonging to capital F of x. So you call that to be separable if all the roots for this polynomial, they are simple roots. What do you mean by simple roots? That means they would occur only once in that particular polynomial. So simple roots means all the roots are distinct in nature. So we call a polynomial, irreducible polynomial, as inseparable whenever it has multiple roots. So that is obvious from this definition. So next is, this is about the polynomial. So next we define what is a separable element. So separable element would now be present here in the extension field. We say alpha belonging to E, that is which is algebraic over F. What do you mean by algebraic? It means for this element you would have a polynomial here in this lower field such that it is the root of that polynomial. So P of alpha would be equal to 0, and this is true for every element which is present in E, right? So we assume that alpha satisfies this property, that means alpha is algebraic over F. Then we say this is also separable over F if its minimal polynomial over F is separable. So that means the polynomial, say Px was the polynomial in the lower field. So we say this polynomial is separable. That means it would have all the distinct roots within itself. So then that particular element would be separable element. And then what would be this separable extension? So separable extension is the one in which all the elements are separable. That means it is also an algebraic extension in which every element of E is separable. So that means every element first has to be algebraic over it first has to be algebraic over F, and then it would be separable when the corresponding minimal polynomial that is separable. That means it could be broken into distinct roots. So we see the example. The example says that if you have some field of characteristic 0 that is separable. So do you know any field which is of characteristic 0? That is the field of rational numbers. So this field is a separable field. Next example is that field of character if F is field of characteristic 0, then any algebraic extension of F is separable. So this is the same thing. That means we are saying any field having characteristic 0 is separable. For the next example, we say that because irreducible polynomials over finite field have distinct roots. This we have seen in the previous results, that any irreducible polynomial over some finite field, this is the condition, have the distinct roots. If all the roots of the polynomial are distinct, so that means this polynomial would be separable. And if this is separable extension, so that means whatever extension field it would have, it would be algebraic and hence it would be separable. So this is another example that you could see. So next definition is that of perfect field. So by perfect, it should have the qualities of perfectness, right? So that means when do you call a field as a perfect field? So suppose you have some field here f. So now you call this field as a perfect field if whatever extension field you take for this one, say E1, E2 or E3, whichever extension you take, that is a separable extension. So E4, whatever extension you have, that is separable. So in that case, we call that field to be a perfect field. The first example for this one is a field of characteristic 0. That means this field of rationals, that is a perfect field. And then we say all finite fields are also perfect. So that means every extension for those fields, they are separable. And lastly, in this example we see that infinite extensions in general are not perfect. Why? Because they have inseparable extensions also in addition to separable extensions. So that is why they are not perfect at all. Okay. So next we have simple extensions. So what is a simple extension? An extension E of f, and extension E of f is called simple extension if you could write E as the lower field adjoined with some element alpha, and this element should be present in E. So we have this case. So we have this field here as f and this field here as E. If you take an element here in this upper field, so what you do, you just adjoin an element f alpha to this f, and this is nothing but this is equal to E. So if this is the case, so we have simple extension. Simple extension means you are just adjoining one simple element to it. That means we are adjoining one element to the given field. So here we have seen various definitions corresponding to this separable extensions. So next we shall see several properties of simple and separable extensions.